Just a minute. 4 minutes. Okay, Thomas.
Okay, so now, Dang, you're going to finish your test number 2, okay?
Yes.
All right, wait a minute. Okay. All right, wait a minute. I will just write.
Yes.
Okay, Dan. Before you answer it, you must read what is the article all about. Okay, can you read it first?
Daddy a shop. Baby sister needed. We need a baby sister to look us are two boys, aged 5 and 7, after school from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. £50 a week. Call Mary on 6783 45211. Newspaper round before school. We need young people to deliver newspaper on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday morning. The paper route takes 30 minutes in the village of Flamburg. Paper must be delivered before 8 a.m. and you must have your outfit. Interested? Ask for more info at Flamburg. Post office. City Museum. Holiday job. Do you want to earn some extra money this summer? Do you speak another language? Greenish French, Spanish, or German speaking or to work for us in the City Museum Station. Send your CV to City Museum Echo Shop of IT part-time work, Manchester Cafe. We are looking for workers and lunchtime to work in the on cafe on Saturday. Come in 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. On off Copilla on 612-398-745 after 4 p.m.
Okay. So now, Dang, you finish reading it. Now you have to answer the following questions. Okay. Number one. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. All
Yeah.
right. So number one, Dang. In which job do you have to work after school? Is it A, B, C, or D?
A.
Are you sure in letter A?
Yes. No. That
What?
means I think B. It's B. It's B.
Letter? What letter is that?
B.
B as in boy?
Yes.
Okay. Now, number two. In which job do you have to start to work before 8 a.m.?
B. No. B2.
Okay, letter B. Number three. In which job do you only need to work on Saturdays?
is D.
What letter is that?
D.
B or D?
D.
D as in dog?
Yes.
Okay, number 4. In which job do you need a bicycle?
D.
Letter?
Leicester.
Letter B or D?
I can.
Again? You change it?
I cry in the chat.
Okay, letter B. Or you tell me if it's boy or dog, okay? All right,
Yeah.
number 5. In which job do you need to speak a foreign language?
Is C.
Okay. Next, number 6. In which job do you only work during the summer holiday?
C2.
Okay, next one, number 7. In which job do you have to work for 2 hours every day after school?
A.
Okay, number 8. In which job do you need to work from Tuesday to Saturday?
Is D. Dog.
Okay, letter D. Okay, so now let's proceed to task number 5.
Just a
Answer
minute.
the
Just a minute.
question. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so Dan, let's continue. Let's have task number 5. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute.
Okay.
What's that? Okay,
Yeah.
so now let's continue to task number 5. Answer the question, okay, Dan. Number 1. Which rooms do you like most in your house and why?
I think I like most in mm, I think I like in the living room because I can
Mm-hmm.
watch TV in that and I can talk with my family in the living room.
Oh, you want your favorite room in your house is the living room because you can talk with your family in that room.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. And aside from that, what else is your favorite room aside from the living room?
I think it's a bedroom because I can sleep in there.
Okay, because you like the bedroom because you can sleep there and you can relax or take a rest, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so question number 2, Dang. Is there anything about your house that you would like to change?
I don't like change. No, I like change because I think my the bedroom is not
Mm-hmm.
connect the many room in here.
Oh, you wanted to change your bedroom?
Um, I think I changed the bedroom in not room
Why? Why do you want to change that
because,
bedroom?
because I can change the bedroom near the uh air conditioner or near the electric fan is cool is better than bed in now.
Okay, wait a minute.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so now let's have question number 3, Dan. Do you think flowers are important? Do you think flowers are important? Okay, Dang, what's your answer?
I think which blossom and yellow blossom is important because it's signaling the spring in Vietnam.
Again. Why is it important?
Beach blossom and beach blossom and yellow blossom
Yeah, but why? Um why do you think flowers are important?
be-
Why? What's the reason?
because it's signaling the spring in Vietnam.
Because
It's signaling.
can you write that word? Dang, I cannot understand what is that word.
Okay.
Can you chat it?
Mm, is government is here.
Signaling. Oh,
Yes.
okay. So what is it again? Because it's signaling what?
The spring.
Ah, okay. So when the flowers are blooming, it means that spring is coming. Is that your answer?
Which blossom and yellow blossom.
Peach blossom and yellow blossom. Okay. So why do you think flowers are important? Why do you think they are important?
Because it can help the bee mm, the bee the bee can pollination
Okay, because the bee.
can
Oh,
pollination the flower.
okay, because it helps the bees from pollination. Okay, that is a good answer.
Thanks.
Okay, so question number 4, Dan. What do you do in your holiday?
Um, I I usually go to I usually go to the countryside or
Mm-hmm.
my countryside or I go to uh, I go around the city.
Okay, you go around the city.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, next one. Um, what other things do you do on holiday aside from going around the city?
Mm, it's very cool. And I can have a lucky money in the tent holiday.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's nice. So question number 5, Dan. Why are holidays important to you?
It's that holiday because many people in that holiday can mm, can can because internet many people um, can together with family in the country.
Okay, wait a minute, Dang. I will just go to the restroom, okay? Wait
Okay.
for me, wait for me.
Yes.
Okay, Dang.
Okay.
All right, so let's continue. Question number 5. Why are holidays important to you?
Is that because that can help many people to get with family
Because many people
get
can be with their family or can spend time with their family, right?
together.
Okay.
Okay.
So now, Dan, let's have task number 6. Talk about your holiday activities. Okay, can you tell me something about your holiday activities?
In the third holiday, I go to the I and my family go to the countryside, visit the grandmother and grandfather with brother and sister in them.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I have a lucky money to um I have a lucky money.
What is a lucky money, Dan?
Lucky money
Yeah, what is that? What do you mean by lucky money?
is a money uh is the money people give children if you if the children if the children wish the people give the wish good to the people.
Mm-hmm.
You
Who
can
will give you lucky money?
it's grandfather, grandmother, my aunt, my father, mother, mm, many. I
So,
can
can you spend that lucky money? Can you buy it? Can you buy something like clothes, shoes?
no, no, no,
You
no.
cannot use the money.
Mm, I mm, I the saving the lucky money in the bank.
Ah, you're saving the lucky money in the bank.
Yes.
Oh, very good. Okay, that's good, Dan. So now, what is your most unforgettable holiday activity?
What?
What is your most unforgettable holiday activity?
Mm, I can go play football with many friends in the countryside. It's
Mm,
very funny.
yeah, and then what else?
I can play game 1 hour.
One?
Hour.
Oh, all right. Okay. All right. So then, just in time, you're finished with your test number 2. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, okay, Dan. So that ends our lesson 4 tonight. Okay. You still got one more lesson left. Okay. So our last class will be on Thursday, and then no more class. Okay.
No more class in Thursday.
No, you will have your last class on Thursday. Okay,
Okay.
and then you can have your class again if you will re-enroll again to Teacher Biang, okay?
You can talk. You can send the messenger to my mother.
Okay, I will send it later, okay?
Okay.
All right, thanks, Dang.
Bye.
Goodbye.